Ready?
Yeah.
Do you want directions?
Kinda, yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna go straight, and then we're gonna have to go to the right, because it gets really shallow on the left. I'm actually gonna cry.
Eh?
I'm actually gonna cry.
Get us closer. Push the canoe towards the bank. No, yeah, push.
This way?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Okay.
Like, I'm not even gonna be able to stand up in this. It's just mud.
We're stuck.
Yeah.
Stuck forever.
We're not in a lake, girl.
This is called a bog.
Yeah, a bog is like a river.
It's not even a river.
Bog is
It's like a
hell.
swamp.
Don't worry, I got it, I got it.
Do you want me to push off?
Just drop on the other side, drop on the other side, drop on the other side. Can I get you two to take a little break from paddling, please? Because I'm getting soaked.
Oh, it looks like they took out the beaver dam here, babe.
I don't think this is the beaver dam.
Yeah, it is. Look at all the sticks on either side. This is completely a beaver dam. Or an attempt at one.
I think we're going to hit beavers. Right at shallow end.
Look at it.
I feel like a gondola operator.
Is that the visitor center up there? Can people watch us? Stump, 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 stump. Nope. Nope. We're like literally on it. Back up.
That's all I can back up. Can you push us to the left?
No, we're like cradled on a stump. Okay, now go forward. Yeah, let mommy and daddy try to steer. Operative word, try. Oh, it's just a short paddle to Norway Lake. That's gonna be so easy, less than an hour.
I've never sweat more on a canoe trip than I have on this one. Like, I'm literally dripping sweat.
Car camping it is from now on.
Feel that? Feel us hit that little bump? Alligator.
No, don't start.
Camera.
Ooh, big heron, you see it? Look, look, look.
Over mom's shoulder to the right. See it flying above the grass?
We scared it off. Ooh, a great blue heron. Oh, there it is.
He was coming back and then
Okay, we gotta go fast. Okay.
Can you get out?
No, I'm pushing.
Good job, guys.
We're not out yet.
I don't have any leverage.
When I really need some micro adjustments or a fast turn, and I can stop what I need. Either
She knows what to do because she's got her master's in canoeing.
I've only got a
Treat.
master would have told me 3 miles before that tree.
That's salty.
Yeah, because I was sweat. 5G towers
Where? Oh, up there?
to the left.
So that people at the visitor center have their. That's why we're probably gonna have cell service the whole time.
They're live streaming on Facebook.
There's a camera set up just to watch canoers go through the bog. It's not a beaver. It's just grass, baby. This is the Fork Lake one. Norway's just up here. Oh, yeah, there's the sign.
Yeah?
Yeah. So, do you see? It's a white one.
Yeah.
So there's a pull up right
Yeah.
there.